Another beautiful day here in Michigan. One day it snows, the next day it rains, now the snow's gone. Crazy weather we have up here in Michigan this time of year, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're driving. It's dark out. It's pouring down rain here in Michigan. Gotta love it. I apologize in advance. I am sick as right now, and I caught a cold. But anyway, we're in the truck right now. I got the trailer behind me here, and we're heading over to my parents' house to pick up my mom's Road Glide. And today's kind of a special video because what we're doing is we're surprising my mom for Christmas with a new cam in her bike. And what we're doing is we're picking that up today, and we're going to take it over to Dave's house, Wheaties Performance. And we are going to throw in a new camshaft in her bike today. Some of you may know that my mom rides a lot with us. She's like one of the boys. She always, keeps right up and rides very well, and goes to Daytona with us and just does all the bike rallies with us. And she came to us a couple months ago and says, I want my bike to sound like that. I want my bike to chop. And I said, well, we can throw a camshaft in it and it'll do that. So she's like, I don't really need it. I don't go fast. I don't need a race, all that. I said, no, it's not about that. It's about the sound and about, it'll be better power delivery from 0 to 60, and just you'll like riding it more with a camshaft in it. So my dad and I were talking back and forth, and what we ended up doing is we got her a cam for Christmas. And so today we're surprising her with a cam install on her bike. As you guys saw in the title, we are installing the new Cyclerama 483 cam. So I know a lot of you guys have been messaging me on Instagram, commenting on YouTube. I appreciate all your support, guys. It's been great. But you guys have been telling me you should try out that new CR483 cam. Well, that's what we're putting in her bike today. We're putting in the Cyclerama 483 cam in her 2022 Road Glide today, and I can't wait to see how that thing sounds, because the videos I have seen on it definitely sound really good, and it chops really hard. So as you guys know, we like our chop, we like our cam, we like our good sounding lope, and I really think this cam is going to do it, and I really think she's going to be excited. I can't wait to see the look on her face once we pull her bike out of the trailer today and surprise her for Christmas with her new cam. I think she's going to love it. But anyway, guys, enough of the talking. That's what we're doing today. Surprising my mom for Christmas with a CR483 cam in her 2022 Road Glide Special. I'm going to pick the bike up right now, heading up to Dave's house, so I'll pick the camera back up once I get to Dave's. So we just got it loaded up in the trailer, all tied down, and ready to go to Dave's house. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Just got my mom's bike on the lift and getting ready to take off the floorboard, the air cleaner, the exhaust, cam cover, and we're getting ready to cut the push rods and get this cam installed today. Alright guys, so we're going to check the crank run out on my mom's 114. So let's see what it does. My bike's been good. Chris's bike was good. Let's see how my mom's bike is. So 1.5 thousandths.
The best one yet, huh?
Yeah. Because my mom babies it. We're getting ready to install the cam. I just want to show you guys once again that we are running the Cr483 cam from Cyclerama. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox that and hand it over to Dave, and he's going to slap it in. Got it. Alright guys, so another thing we're doing is we're going to throw on the fueling outer crank sprocket. This one just fits a lot tighter than the factory OEM one, so we're going to go ahead and slap that on there as well. I just wanted to show you guys that. And of course, guys, we went with the S&S OG lifter cuffs. I'm going to throw those in now. Just got the lifters installed. I'm going to throw the cuffs in and wrap it up. Alright guys, so as you know, we always throw a crankcase breather of some sort on these M8s, especially when you do a cam or do anything more from just a stage 1. We really like this vented trans cover from Trask. I have it on my bike, and we put it on a couple bikes. You saw it on Chris's Road Glide ST. So we're going to go ahead and throw the Trask vented trans cover on my mom's bike today as well. So gives the crankcase some ventilation. So definitely going to help with having the new Cr483 cam in there. So we went ahead and got the adjustable push rods from Fuel Moto once again, just like we did in Chris's Road Glide ST. We got the gloss black push rod tubes from Harley. We're gonna reuse the chrome collars off the stock push rod tubes. Alright guys, so we got it all buttoned up, got the pipe back on here, we got the camshaft in there, got the push rods adjusted. I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera, but we use the stock chrome collars here on the black Harley push rod tubes. I think it looks really good. Ties in well with the chrome lower rocker box covers there. Everything went together smoothly, everything's good to go. We're getting ready to fire up right now. Got the D&D Billet Cat exhaust on here. She's got the slash cut tips here to go with the bags we left at home because they're just in the way. We went ahead and installed the Trask trans cover and routed the filter behind this side panel here. Now what we're doing is flashing the tune. Oh, there he goes.
What I did? You just pedal. You gotta air out. I tripped. This would be tripping.
She's had the Lindahl rotors on this bike for a while now, but we went ahead and had the bolts powder coated black just to give it a nice touch here. It's the little things, guys. I mean, We got the blacked out spacer kit from Harley. Wheel spacers look good. The black Lindells look good. This bike's a good looking bike, guys. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. But anyway, what we did here was, while everything was apart, we went ahead and installed the oil cooler fan in her bike as well. So he just went and programmed it in the Power Vision and turned that on, because you can now program the oil cooler fan with your Power Vision. You don't have to take it to the dealer to get flashed. So we went ahead and did that. Oh yeah, and we also put a black powder coated kickstand on the bike as well. Got rid of the chrome kickstand, so that was a nice touch to the Road Glide there. So yeah, now we're flashing the tune into the bike for the new 483 cam. Shout out to Fuel Moto once again for sending me a canned tune for this bike. They emailed the tune to me and I flashed it to the Power Vision, and now we're just uploading it to the bike. And yeah, we'll see how this thing starts. First startup coming right up. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to start it up, and my mom actually just showed up over here at Dave's house and brought us some lunch. So she's really excited to hear how this thing's going to sound once we start it up. So, alright guys, we're going to give my mom the honors to start the bike for the first time with the new Cr483 cam by Cyclerama. Alright, start it up, Mom. Well, you happy?
Yeah.
Alright guys, what do you think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the Cr483 cam with the D&D Billet Cat 2-in-1 exhaust. I think it sounds killer. This is now my favorite cam to date on an M8. The best sounding cam I've ever heard on an M8 by far, especially with the 2-in-1 D&D Billet Cat. Once again, guys, I apologize for sounding like this. I can't even breathe right now. I'm so sick. But anyway, I wanted to get this footage for you guys before Daytona because, as you guys know, my mom is joining us down in Daytona for Bike Week, so you guys will see this bike in Daytona and in all the videos from Daytona. But yeah, that's basically going to do it. Once again, shout out to Dave at Wheaties Performance for hooking up another cam job for us. If you guys are interested in installing a cam or a big bore kit in your M8 or twin cam, make sure you guys hit me up on Instagram at DOOWORK Motorsports, and I will get you in contact with Dave if you guys are local in the Michigan area. So make sure you guys hit me up if you guys want him to do a cam for you or a big bore kit, anything. yeah, make sure you guys hit me up. But I'm sick. I need to go get some sleep and take some medicine. That's going to do it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I've got a lot of content coming. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.